magnificent striking by Vikrant. Rushed up to 79 of just 52.
Prithvi has given him great support. He's on 11 of 17 deliveries. Oh, he goes almost outside the off stump and trying to fetch it from there, misses it completely. So far he's been able to maintain a very calm kind of a demeanor while playing such shots. This is the first time he was trying to manufacture a shot which wasn't there at all.
But I like the thinking behind it. There's no deep square leg. There's square leg and short fine leg in place. He's clearly thinking. He's picking his gap. At least he's making an attempt and having a go at it. Well played.
And he has done all this without taking too many risks. It's played to the merit of the balls. He's chosen the right spot to hit his shots very wide. It's all pressure here. It's telling on Bulldozers. They need to maybe get together and work out things for themselves, because this is such a critical stage of the game. Even now, if they can restrict the Rhinos to say about 155, 160, they do have the depth in the batting to chase that target. Projected score 163. They should look at picking the wicket of Vikrant here.
Goes over the top, straight to the deep cover fielder. One bounce throw to the keeper. Well, all they have to do, Karnataka Bulldozers, is slow the game down a little bit. Make Vikrant take a little bit more time.
Tries the reverse sweep, misses completely. No need for all this at this stage. They still have 4 overs to go after this. And he's hit so cleanly in the previous over, straight over the bowler's head. There's one area where he can exploit once again instead of trying to do these things.
Again, a clear thinking going on in his mind. There's no deep covers. This time he plays towards point, magnificently fielded. Saved a sure shot boundary.
Come on, people, let's enjoy the game.
Brilliant over so far, 3 from this over. Last one coming up. Where will he go this time? Will he exercise patience, try and take a single and retain the strike? Oh, there's so many questions in the batsman's mind in all formats of the game. T20, one day, 50 overs game, or even the bigger version. Go straight. So he will retain strike once again as 127 for 2 after 16.